I wanted to tell you, let me just have a look. Okay, so let me just give you these other few definitions, and then we are done for today, and we will continue on Friday. So, few additional definitions of multinational company. First of all, better to use transnational companies or multinational company. Your book uses the term transnational company because it gives more the idea that it is a company that owns assets and operates across different countries. So it operates um, uh, across different borders, physical borders, okay, and physical but also institutional border. The reason why the author of the book prefers transnational company rather than multinational company will become clearer when we will discuss the last theoretical approach that we have in our course, which is the strategic state analysis. But for now, it's just important to say that transnational gives the idea that sort of like the company, it emphasizes the fact that the company operates across country and not just in many countries. Okay, this across country, it's an important component. As I was saying before, key point is that transnational company operates direct business activities and is not just doing export or portfolio investments. But this is already something that we discussed at the beginning. Uh, two, two definitions and then I stop. First of all, what is the parent enterprise? When we talk about multinational company, the parent enterprise is the enterprise that controls assets of affiliates in a foreign country. So in my example before, the company in Italy is the parent enterprise. So it's the enterprise that controls foreign affiliates. Okay. The country in which the parent enterprise is located is called home country, and the countries where the foreign affiliates are located are called host countries. Second important definition, foreign affiliates can be of two types. Can be associates, and we usually talk about associates when equity involvement is between 10% and 50%, because again, you have control, but not as much, not very strong. You instead talk about subsidiaries when the equity involvement in foreign company is larger than 50%. Okay? So these are the main concepts that we need to have clear in mind. On Friday, we will continue our discussion starting with some data about multinational companies and about their evolution over time. Sorry if I'm running, but I think that it doesn't make sense to continue if many of you will have to quit. So I hope my presentation was clear enough. As always, I will make some video of this presentation and I will put them on the LE page. And if there are no particular questions, I mean, if you have questions, of course, those who have to leave can leave because the presentation is finished, the lecture is finished. If some of you has important questions, I'm here. I can still be here for some minutes, so I can answer your questions. Otherwise, if there are no questions, I can just give you the appointment to Friday morning around 9 for the next part of this introductory class.